Hey everyone, this is Danish. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Affiliates Dan. Well, today we are going to learn something about how to make money while listening to music on your cell phone, or laptop, maybe tablet, or whatever device you have. Sounds cool, right? Well, it is cool. But before we get into that, I would really appreciate if you could smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know whenever I release my new video. Right, let's move on. How do you make money listening to music? Simple. There are two websites that we're going to go through. You can write them down. The first one is slicethepie.com. and the second one is research.fm. Well, sliceofpie.com is a website which has been around for quite some time, and what happens on Slice the Pie is that you listen to some music. They invite you to take surveys about new underground or up-and-coming bands who are trying to make it in the market. And you listen to their music, you give your feedback, whatever it is that you like or dislike about their music, about their craft. You share honest opinion with whatever that had impacted you after listening to that music. You just share that with these people, and they pay you out for each review. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be a millionaire doing this. They don't pay you much, but if you invest like an hour or so every day listening to music and giving out your reviews, you'll make some decent side income. Now, I'm at the FAQ page of this website. What is Slice the Pie? We help people make decisions. It's simple. We pay you to write reviews on new songs, fashion items, accessories, and commercials before they are released. Your review go directly to unsigned artists, fashion designers, etc. to give them feedback. You also help us to find the best brands and artists to put forward for radio placement and other opportunities. Yeah, pretty much what I just said, only I didn't know that they also do fashion items and accessories, but that's a plus. And how do you, well, you just invite you, just log on, and you just look for the category you want to review, and like if you want to review music songs, you hit music, and they start sending out you the content that they want you to review. Okay, and do I get paid? Yep. Slice the Pie pay you to review. I've now had over 10 million reviews. Yes, they do pay you. And how do I get paid? No, not that. How do I get my money? Well, they pay you through PayPal. That's what it says, I believe, somewhere. Yes, minimum PayPal withdrawal is $10. They pay you through PayPal. So if you're from a country where PayPal doesn't work, I'm sorry, I can't do anything about it. That's just how PayPal works. They have their rules, and this video is not for you, because the second website that I was talking about is research.fm. This is pretty much the same website, same as Slice the Pie, but they pay you out with gift cards from Amazon. So they don't pay you cash, but it's pretty much as good as cash, because that's what you do with your cash. You buy stuff. So if you get gift cards for Amazon, you just buy stuff from there, whatever you're planning to buy anyway, before getting gift cards from research.fm. So how it works, it's pretty much simple. We'll send you an invitation to take a survey. You'll listen to the rate short music samples on our secure server, claim your reward in the form of an Amazon gift card. Pretty simple. So there you go. These two websites, they pay you for listening to music, and you can just walk around with your cell phone and headphones on, keep listening to music, keep reviewing music, and keep getting paid. Well, hope you learned something from this, and do leave comments, share your experience about this if you try this out. And before you move on to your next video, I really appreciate if you take a look at the description, the links that I've shared in my description box. It's a free webinar that I really like you to attend. It's nothing is there's no catch. You don't have to pay anything. It's a free to attend webinar, and it's about how to make passive income. And it's more like a class, more like a training video, seminar, sorry. So I'm pretty sure you're going to take something from it, and it'll be beneficial for you. But again, it's up to you. So thank you for watching my video, and please hit the like button if you like. And well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye bye.